The Ram brand laid its legendary Hemi engine to rest in 2024, citing fuel economy regulations and more advanced inbound technologies. However, because of customer complaints and the return of V8 faithful executive Tim Kuniskis to the brand, Ram's 5.7-liter Hemi is returning for 2026. The Hemi will arrive this summer on the 2026 Ram 1500 Tradesman, Bighorn, Express, Warlock, Laramie, Limited, and Longhorn, with the Rebel joining later this year. The Hemi is a $1,200 option on most versions of the truck. The Hemi V8 will only be available with eTorque mild hybrid technology and, like before, will deliver 395 horsepower and 555 Newton-meter of torque. The eTorque hybrid motor generator unit replaces the alternator and works with a 48-volt battery pack to aid with startup and takeoff power. That's a sizable improvement over the entry-level 3.6-liter V6, but it trails the twin-turbo 3.0-liter Hurricane inline-six by a significant margin. The Limited and Longhorn models that come standard with the high-output version of the inline-six engine can swap for the Hemi at no additional charge. The only two Ram variants that won't get the V8 option are the RHO and Tungsten. Ram also says the eTorque system enhances shifts, improves fuel-saving cylinder deactivation, and smooths transitions under acceleration and braking, which helps reduce noise, vibration, and harshness. All new vehicles with Hemis also include the GT Sport exhaust, which helps to convey performance. While the TRX name is sitting on a shelf for now, we hope Ram works its magic to get the supercharged 6.2-liter V8 Hellcat engine back into the 1500.